All right, guys. Good morning. It's May the 15th. Man, we're just moving right along in May. It's 2023, May 15th. It's the morning live stream. Sorry, I'm late this morning. I overslept. Had a hard time getting up. All right, let's see what's happening here. Just not coming down with it very quickly here. It looks like a potential leading diag, but no. Doesn't have five. Yeah, it didn't have the 5 waves. It has 7 waves. So there's a 7-wave, 5-wave right there. What is that?
Well, it's 7 waves. It should be a 7-wave, 3-wave.
Yeah, right. It is. Well, it's a double. Looks like a double zigzag. Yeah, looks like a. I don't know what that is. But it's at a location where it really should be coming down. I mean, the way this wave went up and everything about it, this looks like the top of the wave. So you got the divergence here, right? You've got a flat, and then you've got the finished move right there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 waves. Looks done. So that to me right there is a finished 5 right to there. Looks like we're getting the A wave. Actually, oh well, maybe that's just a flat right there. Okay, so leading diag to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Problem with that is the 3 looks smallest. Come on. Well, no, it's bigger. It's bigger than 1, I think. Let's measure it. No, 1's bigger. Come on. And 5 is bigger. So yeah, so that's not a diag. I suppose you could do a diag like this. 1. Oh, sorry. Let's try it again. 1, 2. We can put 3 there, 4 there, and 5 there. It's ugly. Looks better as A, B, C with a diag at the end. It looks a little bit more symmetrical there, doesn't it? If that's some kind of wave 4, we could spike up for wave 5 and drop. So the count could be 1, 2. This is the top of 3. That's 4. And we spike up for 5. Get divergence. We do have the hidden bull. You have the hidden bull here on for a fourth wave there. Looks good. Get up here, get divergence, and come down. That looks pretty decent right there. What would that be? Okay, so let's call that a 5 wave. Regardless, either it's finished now or it's gonna spike the high here. If it spikes a high, great. If it doesn't spike the high, great. Either way, I think we're going down at least for a little bit. So what's the count? Well, I think, let's look at that as a flat. And let's just let's just say, hey, there's a flat. What do we got? So that's 335 right there. Then we got another flat here, 335. Okay, zooming in on this little wave right here. It's a little tricky wave right here, but look at this. I'm kind of counting that as 5. 1, 2, right there. 3, 4, and 5. It's a diag. Little tricky little sucker. Something like that. So if that's 5, you know what? It doesn't even have to be 5. It could be 3. 5 or 3, doesn't matter. Let's call it 3. Right to there. And then we got a flat here. Done. All right, so what's the count? W, X, Y, just super complex, real tricky. Pull the fibs. This is the count I shared last night at, there you go. That's a finished, that's a complex finished correction with a bunch of flats in there. I mean, when they string the flats together, buddy, that is super challenging.
Well, then my brain goes to the idea of having it be 3 down, 3 up that just finished, and then we get a 5 wave down to turn it into another flat, and then another spike up, and we would just have the complex double correction internally. Same basic count, though.
Okay, so let me clear this off, and let's call that a finished correction for now, and look and see what that creates on the chart. What's that doing in the wave? Three waves done. Doesn't feel right as 3 waves. But look at the 2-hour hidden bear, guys. The hidden bear is astounding. So either we spike up really fast to take that hidden bear out, and that this is just, it is what it is. Okay, so it just doesn't look like it's a 3-wave. Man, it doesn't look like right. I mean, it's a count. It's a 3-wave count, but it doesn't look right. So let's go back and look at it as bull. It's not a flat. Let's forget the flat idea. And there's 1, 2. There's a that was a diag. 1, 2, 1. Okay, let's give me a 2. And go. This is market open shenanigans here, so I'm not sure what's spiked up right at the market open. Was there any news today? Negative for the dollar. Feels like we need one more up, guys, here on the dollar. That's what that feels like. Feels like this didn't come up high. What's that?
Spent a little bit of time with DXY this morning. It looks like she needs that one more shot up, then she could fall down, but she seems to be tracking down happily.
Yeah. That's the thing, though. She'll do that, and then she'll reverse on a dime. Yeah, that's gonna spike again. Almost made it to the golden zone. Yeah, there's a flat right there. If that sets up for you, that might be a short for you, right there. And give you an A, B, and a C. Or we get a dump, take out those lows there. Okay, oh, another count here. Let's do another count here. Let's just say the 1, 2 is in the wick. Bullish count here. 1, 2 is in the wick. Let's say 3 is here. We got a big old 4 right there, and that's 5. Okay, so there's your 4 wave. There's your 5th wave. Don't have the kind of divergence you'd expect on the 15, 30, 90. No, don't have any divergence that you expect to see. This is very challenging. I'm going to abandon this for a minute. Let's go to ETH. Just look at it. Okay, ETH's a little clearer. Looks like ETH needs to go up here.
That is the nice thing is that looking at ETH, it doesn't appear that there is an up count with continuation with it breaking its low, which means it eliminates things that BTC allows, because BTC still allows to be some sort of complex fourth until it does something fast and big.
So, you know, I was looking at this pullback, came down, I think it came back to the 382 retrace of the 3rd. Came back to the 382 right there. On this wave. Thinking that's 4, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you got this 5 wave move down. Yeah. You were looking for 3. I was looking for 3 there. Didn't get 3. So that's the problem. That was my count there. That was looking like a really ugly 5 wave. But didn't break any rules. Measured okay. Had a good wave count. There it is. So we're going to bring 4 here now and call this 5. But 5 may not be done. We may have to spike the high for 5. But that would be that could be a 5 wave beginning wave, and then you get a 3 wave pullback. 618 retrace. See the hidden bull on this 15-minute chart?
Yeah, weekend price action did wonders for the RSI.
What was this? Here was a flat right here. I think. Or that was the end, and that was some kind of an ugly leading diag. But again, the 3rd wave's the smallest. It can't be. Here's the trash count for you. Look at this one. A running flat followed by an expanded flat. Followed by ending diag, and the entire structure is an A. Oh, I didn't draw that right. A, B, and C. Expanded flat.
It's beautiful.
I'm really having to use my Elliott muscles right now. Looks like 2 broke. Okay, that can't be an ending diag because 2 broke 1. So this C wave ends there. That's a diag, maybe. Or that's wave 5. Yeah, that's probably it. One, two, 1, 2. Here we go. There is room for this to come down more. Let me look at LTC here. LTC came up to the 1618. 5-wave move. Three-way pullback. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Or A. No. No. It looks like a 1, 2, 1, 2. It's like LTC needs one of these moves here. One of these moves, and then that. Right there. This looks finished right here. Though this was this move right in here was kind of trashy. A, B, and C. Or it's not done. We need to come down, take the low for an ending diag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks pretty decent there. That symmetry. We have broken out of the channel, however. So that's kind of a big, it's probably not a diag. We've kind of broken out. Boom. But the hidden bearish divergence is really strong. Here's 4-hour hidden bear right there on LTC. Okay, so what are this hidden bear? Are they gonna pump this thing and take it out? Now, looking at ADA, you can see what I drew there. Weird 5-minute RSI. Hidden bull in the 15-minute. It's not completely oversold yet, but you have kind of a three-wave shape here. It would actually be a WXY. 3, 3, 5. See what this does here. See if it goes up and tags the high again. Or if it's done. That might be done. Down we go for the day. Let's see here. Broke out, retested the breakout, maybe it continues down here. But the hidden bull is pretty strong. To some degree, it's pretty strong there. Feel like they need to go spike the high for a fifth. XRP, what are you doing? Sorry guys, I'm just trying to figure out the wave. Just trying to be helpful here, and I don't feel like I'm being very helpful. Just working through the waves. That looks like it needs to go down some. Just in the small time frame, but what is that? What is that? Dang. I want to say it's, I mean, you just want to say it's going to go down, but there's a problem. There's something wrong. The hidden bull is problematic on the charts. Now it looks like the CME chart I don't know what that first wave is. I don't know what that is. Boom, 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 boom. Looks like a double zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leading diag. But that looks like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Three-way pullback. This looks like CME just look. I mean, I get the feeling this needs to happen right here, at least for a third wave, or go take the high out. But dag on it. That looks like an impulse, or it's a trashy three wave. Could this be a WXY? WXY? I don't know how to get an impulse out of that. Or is it just coming down?
Unless it's a 1 2 1 2 1 2.
Yeah.
Impulse.
Yeah. XY starting to trudge back to the upside now. Chooching now. I don't know how to read this wave here, guys. I don't know how to count it. I really don't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe that's a flat pullback. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, this could be at ABC. Again, that could be a leading diag, and then 3 waves, and then an ABC. It's at the 1-to-1 right now. Let's come back to the area of wave 4, the previous degree. ETH. How do you count this thing? I'm just trying to figure out if they're going to go take the high or not. Because the market just opened and they usually do some shenanigans, you know, before they do the daily move. The hidden bull here is powerful in the 5-minute on ETH, so they got to take it down fast to get rid of it, or they're gonna respect it and take it up and take the high. Could this be a double zigzag? W, there's your X wave, and now we're going to get a Y wave. Could that be the hidden bull I'm seeing?
Kind of hoping they complicate it and bring it down 1770. Then
looks like three waves. I mean, hard to say. Just doesn't look finished. You know what I mean? Doesn't look like a done wave. This doesn't on ETH at all. I took a little long here. That hidden bull is just screaming at me, so that's bothering me. You know, it's really got me. You know, I want to short the crap out of this. You know what I mean? But there's just something in me. It's just like, oh, something's wrong with this, shorting this. But could be wrong.
Well, whatever it is, I'm right there with you. Because last week I was quite happy waiting for my lower targets. Then over the weekend, as price action played out and set up, especially in ETH, I had to take a second gander. I'm like, hold on a second. This is not what I would expect as far as how it would form up. And what it did was fine, but it's like, well, why would you do that? And looking back through price history and how many times BTC starts off with a three wave off the bottom, or ETH does certain thing, I'm like, this pattern actually fits for both ETH and BTC, either finished or just about finished. It's like BTC, I've got counts that we can continue up, or we come down, take the low one more time, but ETH doesn't. And that would be a beautiful confirmation. But right now, everything looks like it wants to just keep on chooching.
Look at XLM. Look at XLM. Right here. It's like, just looking at it in general, it looks like it needs to come up here. At least for a third wave, you know what I mean? And then maybe down.
Like the ugliest, most reluctant bull.
I'm just, you know, something. Oh, sorry, just something like that, you know, and then maybe down. Looks like the ugliest fourth wave you've ever seen. I don't know though. That's just messed up. Of course, you look at previous price action, and it kind of does this and then just drops. Does that crap and drops. So, you know, maybe it goes here and then drops. So I mean, I kind of want to see this. I mean, I kind of see this, not I want to. I kind of see that as a flat, and that's what's causing, this is LTC causing the hidden bull here. They want to hit the high. I don't know if they come down after that or not. Or if they pump. You see, you got the divergence here, but that's an awful big. That's an awful. I mean, if that's, you see that divergence here that's created by LTC. So that's supposed to be divergence between 3 and 5, right? Well, the problem with that is that this is not a proportional fifth wave to this. It doesn't seem. So I think they're going to bring this up and take out the diversions. That's what they're going to do. I think I get the sense, guys, they're pumping today. They're not dumping this. That they're going to keep on rocking. Like you were saying, Seth. I mean, it was just that this is just one of those real surprisey, kind of trashy bottoms. I was looking for a V shape, right? We just didn't get any pullback. We did, but not much at one. But this could be a 1, 2, and that could be a 1 and a 2. And now that's a 1, 2 right there. We retested the breakout. Okay? And now we go with a big wave. The hidden bull is just screaming at me. And it's bothering me. I mean, it's like I said, everything in me wants to short. But that hidden bull is like, no, don't short. Don't short. And that's your bull count right there. I mean, that's your really bull count. And this is about to go and take out these highs today, no problem. I just don't see the wave structure in ETH. ETH is bothering me. I have a nice 3-wave move. It just doesn't look, ETH just doesn't look done. You're right. I mean, ETH doesn't have that same, doesn't give me the feels.
Did you catch the wave idea in the chat?
No, I'm sorry, I didn't have the chat open. Yeah. It could be real bull, Karimo. This X wave here, if you look carefully, could be a diag. So you could bring like this as a 1 and then a 2 wave here where your W is, and then you get a 3 1 2s. Either way.
Yeah, I think whatever it is, they're making it look like 3 waves, but I think this is just about to take off.
Yeah. I don't know what ETH. I don't know what to do with ETH. To be honest with you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do with that. Let's see. Let's try. ETH just look. Okay, let's see here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, guys. No, that can't be. Okay, all right. I got to count. We're going to call this a triangle. A running triangle. A, B, C, D, E. And that gives you a 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your 5th wave. That's 5 waves. So this is I mean, this is a way to get a bullish count. So whether it's right or not, I don't know. There's wave 2. There's 1. There's 2. There's 1. There's 2. Here we go. What do you think of that?
See, but then we don't get to my entry, and that would be disappointing. That's why I like this better as a 1-2-1 and a complicated 2 where we need to spike down because it was basically just flat. So we had 3 down, 3 up, and then we get a 5-wave shot down here, and then it goes straight back up.
The hidden bull is screaming down here, just yelling at me. This is gonna go. XLM just looks like it needs to go up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Go up. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a triangle. Fifth, we got a 5th wave. There's a triangle here, guys. Maybe not. Come on, BTC. Go on. Okay, BTC is retesting the breakout. More substantially. It's kind of done it with 5 waves, kind of, sort of. It's looking impulsy. But we'll see. See if it comes back in the box. S&P, how did you act on the open? Nothing. LTC's moving. LTC's pumping. There's that pump I was seeing. Already back in the box. Is going to take the high out. Should be trading LTC. See. All right, guys. It's up or down. I've offered a finished count here. I don't know the answer. It's an I don't know burger right now. Couple of things. Let's just take away Elliott for a minute and talk like 4 hour. Guys, I mean, the 4 hour rarely lies. There's your 4 hour chart. She's moving up. I mean, for now. All we need is a just one of these big candles. Look at this wave right here. Okay. See this beginning price action here, right there? Price broke out. Price is also broken out here. Oh, this is ETH. Ugh. Still, same thing though. RSI is in the same location right here as this little thing. And then it just shot up with a big candle. See if it shoots up with a big candle. And what's interesting about it is that it shot up and it got oversold on that, but then it continued going with just this little movement right here on the RSI. So don't think it can't go up because of the RSI or anything like that. It can. It's got plenty of room. So the 4 hour doesn't lie a whole lot, guys. That's broken. BTC's gone up kind of in 5 waves. Is that 3 right there? Is that an ABC? Is that like a flat? So that's your bear count. That's a flat. That's a retest of the breakout. It's getting rejection now. And it continues down. So that's the bear look. I don't want to be too bullish here. I don't want to be too bearish. I'm just trying to be as neutral as possible here. This pullback right here on this big move up was RSI was sitting right around 50. That pullback that we got over the weekend pulled us back even below that. And then it just kind of trudged to the upside. It's a little different. The RSI is doing a little differently here. But the RSI is in the exact same location before the pop. Before it popped. It's in the exact same location. Before it went boom. Pulled back. Boom. Okay, my take and what I'm trading is I'm bullish, guys. I'm bullish. I'm bullish from here. Let's go. Let's go. I think feels like price action that's what it's doing. The hidden bull in the small time frame, the 4 hour breakout, the price breakout. I'm looking for a V-shaped recovery. I got a 3-wave move. I got a finished count. Yeah, I mean, we came right down to an area we were looking for. We didn't come as low as we thought we might. I think everybody was looking for this target, right? And that's why they're going, because everybody's looking for that target. Everybody and their brother. And then they made it look real corrective and then taking it out of here. So it's a great market maker play. I'm long from here. All right, guys, I'm starting a brand new job today, and I've got to kind of, it's my last one that I've scheduled. So anyway, I've got to go get that going. I'm going to start doing the lives and try to finish by 10 or 10:30 at the latest every day. So I started late today, so I'm not cutting it short. I didn't cut any of the analysis short. I've looked at the market fairly, and all that's left to do is to watch it. And I don't have time to watch the chart right now with you guys because I've got to go. I've got an important 3 weeks. It's 3 weeks. I've got a 3-week schedule to keep, and so I got to do it. And it's in prep for a vacation, so that I desperately need with my family. So by the way, just to put that in your brain, the 30th of June through the 11th of July, I'm not going to be off from the Discord. I'll just be just doing video updates and one live a day and video updates in the evening, more than likely. So, but anyway, I'll definitely keep you guys, I'll be around and I'll be doing live streams and things, but it'll, so I won't be gone. But anyway, that's coming. Just want to put that in your mind. All right, guys, love you. Good to be with you. Thanks for the ideas. Good chat with you, Seth and Karimo. I'm glad we're on the same page. And anything else I can do for you guys before I head out?
You're good, Jim.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah, I'll give everyone. I'll wait just a second and see if there's any chart you want me to look at. I can look at anything for you. All right, guys. Trade safe, guys. This is, shenanigans abound. But man, I think we might be getting ready to go. So let's see what happens. It is Monday, so kind of a little skeptical on a Monday. What's that?
Enjoy the Monday.
Yeah, right. Market Mondays. We may not get a move till later on this week. Who knows? Or it may happen today, and it's just like get this continuation move. Boom. I mean, because this one right here happened. This one happened this continuation move happened on a Monday. After this little 3-way pullback right there, boom, that was a Monday price action.
Jim, about that move that started from where you just showed,
yeah.
They also left this E gap open, by the way. So from this move down there, there's still a CME gap from 21.
At where?
Just left it open and just from there, right. From that move, the CME gap is at 21K, so it was also a Sunday move, and then just go, and everybody expected it to close the gap.
Yeah. So, the way this one came down, you see here, this came up corrected, and then it came down again. So we may be getting something like that right now. We may be getting something corrective that's going to turn complex, right? This could, it could turn into something complex and then come down again, right? So let's just watch out for that. But, wouldn't it be awesome if this just, moonshotted here? Because I think the market turned a little bearish on this move down. The way it went down, it got me a little bearish, but then I, started looking at and it got bullish again. But I was looking for more downside. It really was the way that wave was coming. So, which is why one of the reasons I kind of felt like I should take a long today, because my eyes are seeing the wave structure seems to be pointing down, but yet all the price action keeps pumping, keeps kind of holding price and moving. So while the wave structure is pointing me to the downside, price action is moving up. So that tells me maybe ups the direction from a market maker standpoint as well. And that might be the formula, guys, for trading in the future. When you're expecting a down move or an up move, and yet price is kind of just kind of moving steadily the opposite way, then that may be, they're giving you the look on the chart of one direction and moving price the other. And that may be something we need to pay attention to in the future as far as our emotions are concerned and whatnot. So just for what it's worth, department. So pay attention to your emotions, guys, and how the charts make you feel. How does that make you feel? How does that move make you feel? But it's true. How does it make you feel? And pay attention to it, because it's designed to make you feel. That's what the game is about. It's to make you feel and then make emotional decisions. So that's why we have to get the feelings out of there and make strategy decisions, right? We're getting a bit of a pump. Anybody else take the long down here? That would make me feel good if you did.
I've been long since Thursday on the pairs that I care about, and then just kind of trading marker spots for BTC and ETH, because the smaller alts and stuff just pay better.
I'm long with you, Jim.
I fired 2 bullets. I fired one early and then one at the bottom. So my average entry is 27,331. So not the perfect entry, but it's not right there. It's not the worst.
Yeah, I'm staying schlong.
Schlong.
This was difficult, like you're saying. They're coming up with something new that we're gonna have to adapt, and it's gonna be interesting what they're gonna play out here soon.
Yeah, I think we may go, guys. We may be up to the 30,000 by the end of the day or the end of tomorrow or something like that, and we might be at 35K by the end of the week or higher. This might go. I mean, it really, really might. I'm not trying to get anybody to be emotional. I'm just saying, I've been telling you guys, I've been looking for a wave like this. So this might be the beginning stages of it. We'll see. Let's just stay even keel. Set your stops, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys. Have a great one. We'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all.